Everyone, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to solve the Sindh Mdcat past paper of 2023. So first of all, we have biology section. So let's start with that. First MCQ says, which of the following best characterize the virus with unenveloped plus स्टैंडर्ड आरएनए? हमारे पास इनमें से चारों ऑप्शंस में से ऐसा कौन सा बेस्ट कैरेक्टर है वायरस का जो कि अनएनवलप है? अब अनएनवलप है तो ऑफ कोर्स वो लैक करेगा एनवलप, मतलब उसके पास एनवलप इतने नहीं है। तो ए वुड बी द करेक्ट ऑप्शन, क्योंकि हैविंग डीएनए इज नॉट, बिकॉज ये स्टैंडी आरएनए का है। एनवलप नहीं, ये पहले ही बोल रहा है कि वो अनएनवलप है। सो ए वुड बी द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। Okay, moving towards question number 2. Through which of the following does rabies spread? So, rabies basically spread by dogs. Question number 3. The hepatitis which pass from mother to her child during pregnancy is hepatitis C. Question number 4. A virus enter into the body of host and tend to produce DNA from RNA. एक ऐसा वायरस जो कि होस्ट की बॉडी के अंदर इंटेंड होकर और डीएनए प्रोड्यूस करता है आरएनए से। विच एंजाइम इज रिक्वायर्ड? इस प्रोसेस के लिए हमारे पास होता है एंजाइम रिवर्स ट्रांसक्रिप्टेज। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द एंड प्रोडक्ट ऑफ respiration? तो ethyl alcohol is the end product of respiration. Question number 6. Which is the important of Krebs cycle? Formation of amino acid? No. Form production of vitamins? No. Production of ATP molecule? Correct. Through oxidative phosphorylation. Question number 7. The acceptor of carbon dioxide in Krebs cycle is RUBP. Question number 8. Anaerobic respiration compared to aerobic respiration it produce. ऑफ कोर्स अगर हम अनएरोबिक रेस्पायरेशन को एरोबिक रेस्पायरेशन से कंपेयर करेंगे तो इट प्रोड्यूस लेस एटीपी, क्योंकि एरोबिक हमारे पास ज़्यादा एटीपी प्रोड्यूस करता है और अभी हम एनएरोबिक को कंपेयर करें तो इट प्रोड्यूस लेस एटीपी। मूविंग टूवर्ड्स क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. In carbohydrates, hydrogen and oxygen are mostly in the same ratio. जो हाइड्रोजन और ऑक्सीजन है इनका रेशियो सेम होता है 2:2. दैट्स वाई ये कॉल्ड एज। अब नाउ हियर यू कैन सी दे बोथ आर इंक्लूडेड विद द कार्बन, तो यहाँ पे सिर्फ ऑक्सीजन और हाइड्रोजन का रेशियो बताया, तो वी वॉन्ट सेलेक्ट दीज बोथ ऑप्शन। ट्रायोस नो, इनको बोला क्या जाता है? तो ऑफकोर्स वी कैन से दीज आर नोन एज हाइड्रेटेड कार्बन। Moving towards question number 10. How much of temperature in Celsius rise will be observed? कितना टेम्परेचर राइज होगा जो कि ऑब्जर्व होता है एज पर द डेफिनेशन ऑफ स्पेसिफिक कैपेसिटी? स्पेसिफिक कैपेसिटी की डेफिनेशन के हिसाब से। सो हियर if energy is used to raise the temperature of 1 gram, so only basically 10 Celsius is the temperature in which rise is observed. Question number 11. The chemical compound has the same percentage in the bacteria and mammal. So water has the same percentage, which is 70% in bacteria and mammal cell. Question number 12. Glyceraldehyde and dihydroxyacetone are the example of, so they are the example of triose. Question number 13. The one molecule of fatty acid forming the ester bond with the one molecule of long chain alcohol, though that is known as waxes. Question number 14. Lysozyme represent this basic structural level because it is we can say tertiary in structure. Question number 15. Which of the following compound is regarded as the precursor of many hormone? इनमें से ऐसा कौन सा हमारे पास कंपाउंड है जो कि रिगार्डेड करता है एज अ प्रीकर्सर है बहुत सारे हार्मोन का? तो कोलेस्ट्रॉल। क्वेश्चन नंबर 16. विच वन इज द पावर हाउस ऑफ सेल? सो माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया। Question number 17. A phospholipid molecule has a head and two tails. एक ऐसा phospholipid molecule जिसके पास एक head होता है और दो tail होती हैं. Where are these tail found? तो ये tail होती है interior membrane के अंदर, because tail हमारे पास hydrophilic in nature होती हैं. Question number 18. Which of the following may lead to death at the age of 3 years? So mostly we have the scraps and Tay-Sachs have the death at the age of 3, but mostly Tay-Sachs disease. Moving towards question number 19. Which of the following best describe the plasma membrane? So plasma membrane is semi-permeable. Question number 20. What is the cementing layer between two daughter cells? So it is middle lamella. Question number 28. Protein layer is embedded in the lipid bilayer. This was explained by fluid mosaic model. Question number 20. Just given function is associated with lysosome. It is intracellular digestion. Question number 23. How long it take an action of potential to occur? So it is in the milliseconds. Question number 24. This part of brain involves in carrying long-term memory. So here we have hippocampus is the part of brain which is carrying long-term memory. Question number 25. A reflex involves sensory and motor neuron. The way such transmission occur, that is known as reflex arc. These are required for the impulse to transfer from presynaptic to postsynaptic neuron. So here calcium is required to transfer the impulse from presynaptic to postsynaptic neuron. Question number 27. Which of the following function as dopamine serve? It is the neurotransmitter. Question number 28. Which part of brain is responsible for higher cognitive functions such as thinking? So that is cerebellum. Question number 19. What is formed when the blastula fold inward? So gastrula forms. Question number 30, which is the last question. Which phenomena describe the production of asexual bisexual form? It is alternation of generation. So we are done with 30 questions. I hope these are clear, and remaining we will gonna do in the next video. Till that, bye bye.